Good Tuesday morning. Coastal Bend sticking with that chilly weather this morning. A light breeze. You can see that with our flag here. Look at SPID. Traffic moving along smoothly this morning. Those winds right now between about 5 and 12 miles per hour. So a lot more calm than what they were yesterday. Still though, these temperatures in those mid to low 40s, feeling like the upper 30s when you factor in those winds and when you factor in our dew points at 31 degrees. So that dry, cool, crisp air still in place. This morning, those northerly winds now a little more gusty over along the island, 16 at the Naval Air Station. Those will start to shift on out through today and tomorrow. So you got to take advantage of that cool and dry air that's still in place thanks to those northerly winds. We see that reflected here on our dew points. You'll notice it's cooler out here inland. The further you get to the coast, a little warmer it gets as far as humidity level is a little bit higher there. And you see that reflected with your temps. It's going to be a little cooler here inland, upper 30s, George West and Beeville. Closer you get to the coast, a little bit warmer, 50 out at the Naval Air Station, Ingleside at 46 degrees. We're seeing that cloud coverage that's moving on over from the southwest, continuing to build into the Coastal Bend area. And this is why we'll have a mostly cloudy day on tap. It's still going to feel nice, though, to be outside. We do have a small craft advisory in effect for our waters. That really stretching up along the southeast Texas coast, all the way up, even down to Brownsville. And if you look on over to the southwest side of Texas, El Paso area, San Angelo, even getting some snow today. They started to see that yesterday. That's thanks to a system that's moving on over from New Mexico. But for us here, no snow. It is going to still feel cool though. We'll warm up very slowly here this morning into the 50s by about 10 to 11 a.m. Your afternoon highs topping out in those low 60s once again. So a similar trend to what we saw yesterday. That is without the wind speeds that we saw yesterday. Northerly winds in place. They'll stay pretty calm throughout your day between about 5 and 12 miles per hour. And you'll notice by this afternoon, they start to shift on over to the east. And what that's going to do is slowly allow for our humidity levels to rise from today through Friday. But tomorrow morning, a similar trend to what we saw this morning, still in those 40s, upper 40s out in Freer and Beeville. Similar trend over here in Corpus Christi. A little bit warmer than what they are this morning. We're in those low 40s this morning. Tomorrow we'll be in the upper 40s as we wake up, and that following with our high temperatures as well. You'll see a gradual warm up to Friday. We get to those mid 70s, still beautiful. It's going to feel amazing, just a little bit warmer than what it is today and what it was yesterday. But then that warming trend comes to a nice little halt. We have a cold front that's going to come in early Saturday, take our high temperatures back down into the mid to low 60s. That's going to follow with our dew points. So we go up from the 40s and 30s as far as how dry our air is into the 50s through this week, and then we have another drop back into the 40s and 30s for the weekend. Your future cast, we're staying cloudy through our day today. You'll see that here. It's going to allow for us to stay pretty cool throughout our day today. Another round of that tomorrow morning with isolated rain chances in place. This will all clear on out tomorrow by about noon to afternoon time, and you'll be in the mid to upper 60s by tomorrow. We don't dip into those 70s till Thursday, but beautiful day on tap Thursday and Friday. Cold front's going to come in, cool us right back down into our next work week. John Thomas, Barbie.
Bring it on. Thank you so very much.